Here's how to draw simple animals. Okay, so I've gotten a couple of requests on how to draw a lion. I guess some people want to draw Lion King 3. Anyways, so we are going to draw a beautiful lion. Not for the Lion King, of course, because I need to be a study professional to do that. But here's how to draw a lion. First, you draw a small. Oh wait. First, remember to erase really good when erasing. First, draw a hump. Remember, make it dark. A line. Then you go down. Then you go back up again. Not too much. Then you just remember not to make the head too big. Then after you're done with that, draw your nose like that, like square, and draw a little nostril. Oops. You know what? Scratch the nose out. You don't need the nose right now. Okay. After you're done making your dark lines, I'm gonna make them super dark because you're gonna be shading later on in the video. Okay, after you're done making a thick neck, remember make it thick. Start drawing the legs. Don't worry, the legs are not just little thin sticks. Then draw sturdy paws. Then draw like sturdy square-like paws. Don't worry, they get better. Then draw like square paws, and then just go up like a leg, like a normal leg. And we'll draw a square thing right there. Then start drawing the back and the stomach. Like that. Here's a little look, preview. Don't worry, it looks more like a lion later. Don't panic. Just follow my instructions. We're just gonna learn how to draw a female lion today, though. Then start drawing the back leg like that. Just start drawing like it was on a horse. Draw your thick, bold lines. It can't be too thick. So, don't worry, you don't need to draw the back legs. Then draw a thin little spot for the tail. Make sure you erase very well. Very well. Then start drawing the tail. And start drawing like, remember to make your lines thick and bold and dark. But just start drawing like a little tuft at the tail. Here's a preview of what we have so far. Here, I'm going to make the lines darker, thicker, bolder, so you can see them easier. Okay, after you're done with the tufts, then you're just going to start overlapping. Not so dark and not so thick. You can do that. Because if you draw too dark, then I don't know. Same with this one, just very thinly. I hope you can see that. Okay. Yeah, you can. Okay, and after you're done with the legs, you're going to start drawing details. Start drawing the hump ears. That. Shade in the ears. Here's a preview. Okay, don't worry. I'm going to over-scratch the lines right now. Okay, next up we're going to draw the eyes. Just make a small little hump and a bigger hump at the bottom. And just shade in on one spot like this. And since she's a female, just start drawing eyelashes, but very lightly. Right there. Yeah, she's a pretty lion, gotta say. There. Okay, after you're done with the eyes, then you're going to start drawing the nose. And the mouth. Like that. There's a quick little preview. I'm going to draw the eyes a little bit darker. There. You should be able to see them better now. And now we're just going to start drawing thin shading lines. In case you have, this is a shading technique. Just make it look like she has fur, so it's okay if you color out of lines. Do not erase anything if you color out of the lines right now. It's actually quite simple when you think about it. Draw her a little bit darker on her back legs because it is clinically proven that the dark legs are thicker than the front legs for some reason. I don't know why, but they were just born that way. It's okay if you color inside the eyes. Here's a lion. Don't worry, I'm going to start overlapping lines so you can see it easier. Oh, and you need to add some tufts of hair. Right there. See that? Probably can't, but it's there. Okay, after you're done drawing your actual lion, you're going to start drawing some landscape. Draw like a rocky landscape like that. Start drawing it really thick and bold. Like that. See it very lightly. And then you're going to draw a hot sun because she's probably in Africa. No. And then a little bit of tufts of grass. No clouds because she's in Africa. And there aren't many clouds on the hot sun in Africa. And that is your lion. Simple. Okay. Alright, we're gonna review the steps. Step 1 is the head, the narrow head and body and snout. Step 2 is the legs and the stomach. Step 3 is the back, hindquarters, and tail. Step 5 is details. thank you for watching. And here is the lion when it looks done. It looks really dark and bold. And if you want, next time you can even draw some of her prey, like a little gazelle or something. But she's pretty. Thanks for watching. Next week we are going to learn how to draw a peacock. Thank you.